Hi everyone, my name is Reza Salehi and welcome to my course, Implement Security on Azure Data Lakes. I'm a cloud consultant and trainer with over 2 decades of professional experience in the software industry. Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2 is a set of capabilities dedicated to big data analytics. Data Lake Storage Generation 2 is built on top of Azure Blob Storage. In this course, we are going to see how Data Lake Storage Generation 2 can be secured. Some of the major topics that we will cover include data lifecycle management, immutable data, role-based access control or RBAC, and finally access control lists or ACLs. By the end of this course, you'll know how to secure your Data Lake Storage Generation 2 account. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn data security with the Implement Security on Azure Data Lakes course at Pluralsight.